Can't see it that well because I'm inside. There's like a rainbow and the sky is so pretty tonight. I'm gonna die. There's a little chipmunk. Why do I look so rough? So I'm gonna go get my hair dyed right now, so hopefully I'll be more blonde because I'm on my way to being Tana. And funny story, my foundation literally does not match me, so I have to use a different foundation when I go get my hair done. Otherwise she'll literally expose me because there'll just be like lines of my actual skin color. This lighting is awful. I just bought 17 copies of Pacific Rim because why not? So there's like this baby bird bathing in my spot where I need to park. So I'm just sat here kind of like waiting, but like I need to go home, but I don't want to disturb him. Like he's just, maybe I can park somewhere else. I just like rearranged my position in my car to pick a new spot and like now he's gone, so. Are you kidding? Let's just like park here for now. So after that, this is like a series. After that, I went back to park at the other spot where I was originally gonna park because the bird was gone, like I just showed you. And as I pulled forward, the bird came back and sat back in the puddle, and then a car was waiting for me. So now I'm parked like in this random spot at the front of like the driveway, just like sitting. It's not a parking spot, I'm just parked here waiting for the woman to go inside, and I'm gonna see if the bird's gone, like, because then the woman parked in my other spot where like I would have parked if the bird's still there. Which also means I'm going to need to back out of this parking lot backwards, and this will be a journey. I will update you. Another person's here. This is like not a stressful situation that I'm making stressful. Just because I didn't want to disturb a baby bird. Update, we did it, boys, and a woman's watching me from her car. Also, ignore my skin. It's having a moment.